Hello business partners, my name is Clantis and welcome to Clantis on Business. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So before I go any further guys, I would like to ask a favor of you to please smash the like button for me because it helps the channel with the YouTube algorithm to get discovered by more people on the platform. I highly appreciate it if you help me out there. The like button is very important to trigger the YouTube algorithm. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, also please subscribe. I'll highly appreciate that. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, I received an email today basically giving some really good news. I think this good news is also going to be good for you too as a creator on YouTube because it's about YouTube Shorts. So you guys, maybe you may know this. YouTube Shorts was introduced to YouTube around 2020, and the reason why it was introduced to us around 2020, you would remember we were under lockdown or quarantine around the world. And then there's an app that did so well that actually threatened the life of YouTube, and that is TikTok. So YouTube was like, we want all our people back, meaning the views and the users to come back to YouTube because many people started creating videos for TikTok during that period and entertaining people. And as a result of that, the YouTube views kind of like dropped. As a result, they decided let them also create something similar to TikTok, and they introduced YouTube Shorts. So same goes with Instagram. I think they did the same thing. Remember, Instagram used to have Insta TV, I think it was called. And then they also realized that no, short videos are the thing. And because as well, people's attention span is that of a goldfish, and that is why they were flocking to TikTok. That is why TikTok did so well. So as a result of that, Instagram came with Instagram Reels. That is why now you are seeing also vertical videos on Instagram. And I think they don't particularly care about aesthetics and looking good and having the best camera angles and things like that. All they care about is that you have a reel, and then they'll push the reel if you are consistent in uploading there, as much as also you need to be consistent in uploading your shorts on YouTube Shorts. And it was also advised that YouTube Shorts will also assist your main niche, whatever niche that you are in, that if you are going to create a YouTube Shorts that is the same as your long form videos, your YouTube Shorts are going to help feed your long form videos with views and subsequently blow up your YouTube channel. And we've seen this happen. Many people benefited from YouTube Shorts. So people that had literally 10 subscribers, and then in a short space of time, maybe like a month, they are now at 100, 200 to a million subscribers. That is the miracle that YouTube Shorts came up with. And YouTube kept saying that they are going to develop this app even more. It was supposed to be an app, but instead of being an app, it ended up being incorporated or embedded in our YouTube channels. That is why you are able to go into that upload button, you know, that plus sign button, and then you go, you will see that create a shorts instead of it being an app. All of us, we thought it was going to be an app, but no, it's just something that is embedded in our YouTube channels, and I don't have a problem with that. And it has its own camera. All of these things were introduced gradually. If you remember, from 2020, we just had YouTube Shorts. YouTube was still trying to figure it out. How are they going to also incentivize the users or the creators that create YouTube videos? You would remember that in February of 2023, this is the first time that shorts creators started getting monetized. Of course, you only get monetized when you are monetized, or your entire channel is monetized, and therefore you could also monetize your YouTube Shorts. And then everybody, I did speak about this in my main channel as well, that please create YouTube Shorts and make sure that you benefit out of the shorts by growing your YouTube channel, etc. and so on. And I'm so sorry about the baby that is making noise outside. Anyways, let's continue. And therefore, YouTube then introduced the YouTube Shorts camera. The YouTube Shorts camera is 15 seconds long, but you can still create a short video from outside of the camera, like from your normal phone. But your phone, remember when they introduced shorts, they said it must be vertical, something like this, not landscape, because when you shoot landscape, that is shooting a YouTube video. But this shorts, they called it vertical videos, and therefore that is your shorts. And now they introduced that whenever you film from outside of the YouTube Shorts camera, you have to use your mobile phone to film YouTube Shorts by holding the phone vertically, right? So, and it must also be about 60 seconds long. Then we also discovered that if your YouTube short is 60 seconds long on the dot, YouTube has the tendency of adding a second, and therefore that is no longer a short but a regular video. That is why we started advising that if you are going to create a YouTube shorts, make sure that it's up to 59 seconds, so that when YouTube adds that 1 second, it's still a shorts. But it's advisable as well that your YouTube short should be a little bit shorter than 59 seconds, because somehow people, remember, they still have an attention span of a goldfish. So many YouTubers started creating shorts that are about 12 seconds to at least the longest 22 seconds, 24 seconds. If they want to push the envelope a little bit further, they'll go up to 34 seconds, and then they'll still see good results. So if you are creating YouTube shorts that are longer than 22 seconds or longer than 12 seconds, maybe you need to start experimenting a little bit and then kind of like shorten it to about 12 seconds to 22 seconds, at most 34 seconds. So YouTube then, after creating or introducing the camera, it then started introducing the length of time. Remember that the YouTube Shorts camera was 15 seconds long. Now they created something where you can actually click on that 15 seconds and then you will see 60, meaning 1 minute. And then you can create a video that is 1 minute long. Same goes with videos that you also abstract from elsewhere, or maybe you create as a remix or whatever. You can still click on that 15 seconds and then it increases to 60 seconds, and then you are able to post that video as a shorts. And then they introduced music and music license that we are basically not exempted from copyright. However, if your YouTube shorts is monetized, you and the artist, you are going to share the ad revenue. But not only you are going to share the ad revenue with the artist, but it is also a pool of people in that particular country or in that particular region or district. You are going to share that ad revenue together. That means it's you and the artists and other YouTubers that are filming and posting YouTube shorts in that particular region are going to share the ad revenue, which is, if you ask me, because I am monetized on my main channel, that's not much money at all. I think with me, I'm earning something like 7 cents per shorts, or whatever how it's calculated. I did not particularly go into how it is calculated in order for us to earn that 7 cents, especially me and the people here in South Africa that are uploading short videos. So just when we moved away from that, they started introducing the green screen. Obviously, YouTube is competing with TikTok and Instagram in this field of YouTube shorts. So whatever feature that you see on TikTok or on YouTube, or on Instagram Reels, now you can see it on YouTube Shorts as well. All the features that you see on the other platforms, you will also be able to see them on YouTube. Of course, the YouTube Shorts is still working on improving itself in making sure that you and I do enjoy creating YouTube Shorts without having to think about other platforms if we are frustrated by a lack of one feature and yet that feature exists in other platforms. So YouTube is doing everything in its power to ensure that we get to enjoy creating shorts on YouTube. So recently they, like I said, I received an email regarding YouTube Shorts that now will be able, let me just read the email. I'm not going to read the whole thing. In fact, I'll read the whole thing because it's not that long. So it says, coming soon, vertical live streaming, basically. Vertical live lets you, okay, I'm not wearing my sunglasses. I might be very slow in this because I'm seeing blur. Let's try my best. Vertical live lets you live stream in the vertical format, so your streams can be viewed in the shorts feed. This means that your live video could reach a wider audience, as viewers who are scrolling through the shorts feed will be able to see it. Vertical live viewers will enjoy full screen viewing, real life engagement through chat, reactions, and emotes. Fan funding features like super chat, super stickers, and paid memberships. A swipeable feed to discover even more vertical live streams. We are excited to help you reach new audiences with Vertical Live. Stay tuned for more updates on the launch date. Vertical live streams will launch soon and will let you know once it is ready to launch. So that is the email that I received from YouTube, and I was like, we can now go live on our YouTube Shorts. And the exciting thing for me is that while you are live on your YouTube Shorts, people that are scrolling looking for other videos to watch, they can come across your live. And then when they click on your live, they get a full screen, a vertical screen of you live. But you will be vertical when you are going live. You're not going to hold your phone landscape. You're going to go live with your phone vertical, but the people that are going to watch your live stream, they're going to be seeing it this way, which is very exciting. And also you will be able to engage with your audience in real time. You can read the comments and respond. And people, if they want to thank you for your great work that you do on your channel, that is when they are going to thank you with super thanks, super stickers, and channel membership, joining your channel membership if it's turned on. Of course, this is for people that are monetized, or channels that are monetized. If you're not monetized yet, continue working on your monetization. Those two requirements, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time within 365 days, or 1,000 subscribers and 10 million YouTube Shorts views within 90 days, or other also requirements are there for you to become eligible for monetization. So to me, this is extremely good news that I received, because I enjoy going live. If you go to Instagram, you can go live on Instagram. Even if you go to TikTok, you can go live on TikTok. Yes, you can go live on YouTube as well. But so far, we've been only going live on our YouTube channels via the normal way. Anyways, now YouTube Shorts itself is going to have a live stream feature. However, it is not launched yet. I will let you know immediately they drop the launch date, because guys, I am here because I got your back when it comes to all these updates, and I'm so excited. I'm excited for you too. I cannot wait to go live and listen to what you got to say regarding your YouTube Shorts creation, or whatever it is that you might want to let us know regarding your creative juices and things of that nature. I am so excited, and thank you so much, YouTube, for always listening to us, because I know that these features, this is not the end. There are still going to be more features that are going to be rolled out, and every time they drop them, I will let you know about it. So guys, I thought that let me share this particular update that dropped today, and of course, we're going to be discussing it a little bit further on other platforms with YouTube, because I'm sure we're going to get invited to discussing these sort of things and how to improve them. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next time with a new video. Goodbye.